Hello and welcome to AD Zyke. First of all, I wish all my viewers, friends and family a very happy and prosperous New Year 2023. Thank you very much for your support and love last year, and I look forward to the same continued support and love this year. I really appreciate it. So let us start our food journey this year with a very simple snack recipe. Today we are going to make bread poha, or call it bread upma, or call it a bread ki sabzi. Heat the pan on a medium flame and add cooking oil to it. Once the oil is heated, add mustard seeds and let it crackle. After that, add cumin seeds, split lentils and let it saute for a minute. Now add chopped onions and let it saute for a minute. After it's sauteed, add chopped ginger root and green chillies and saute for a minute. After that, add chopped tomatoes, saute it for a minute and cover it with the lid for 2 to 3 minutes. And add turmeric powder and red chilli powder and salt to taste. Saute it again for a minute and add yogurt to it. Mix all the ingredients well and cover the lid and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. Now open the lid and let the masala cook until it releases the oil. Now add the cubed bread pieces to it and mix it gently until all the masala is soaked well by the bread. Turn off the heat and serve this bread upma or bread poha in a bowl. For tempering, take a pan, heat it and add 1 tablespoon ghee to it. Add curry leaves and raw peanuts and cook it until it changes color. Turn off the flame and pour it over the bread upma. Now garnish it with fresh coriander leaves and your bread upma or bread poha is ready to be served hot. Please do subscribe to my channel, like and share, and also add a comment. Thank you very much for your time and watching this video. Until next time, bye bye.